Okay, welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna finish up the harness on the inside, take off the roof airbags, and finish with the harness. And I'll start on the damage with the roof, get that repaired. You can tell a little bit, there's a little crease right here. And I'm still waiting for that cut for this damage up here. I'm gonna get this entire piece replaced, and everything should sit right up. Okay guys, now I'm about to move to the trunk section just to see what's left. Set you guys up right here. Okay, so this is the entire body harness right here. So the car is bare right now. Not a wire in place. Okay, what's up guys? I just went around the car and marked all the damage I seen. This is the damage on the roof right here. There's another dump up front right here. It's hard to see on camera, but it's there. We got one on the door right there, and right here on the handle. And on the other side right here, on the dog leg. Now I'm gonna take off the sunroof. So what's left of the sunroof, we got 4 drain hoses that lead down. These right here on each side. One's right here, one's right there, that brown one. One's on that side and one's on this side. So I'm gonna disconnect those, and then we got a couple 10mm all around, and it should drop. Okay, now I gotta start on the repair. All these dents, I gotta get them knocked out. Okay, I'm gonna try heating up the metal just to get it close. Get most of the dent out. Because this is kind of high right here. This is the one that's worrying me the most. This is easy. I know I can get this out. I already tried to get the front out. Came out pretty good. Just gotta get a light sanded and maybe a light layer of filler. I just tried it with a little torch, heated it up and pushed it from under and let it cool. Now it's pretty close. I just feel something a little right here. I'll just tap that down and the light layer. It should be good. Okay guys, I got most of it knocked down. It's looking pretty good right now. There's small dents all around. Nothing I'm worried about though. One light layer of filler would cover everything up. And this one came almost all the way out. Same thing with the front one. So I'm done for the day. Tomorrow I'll sand it down, put a layer of filler, and sand that down, make it nice and smooth. And we'll go from there. See you guys tomorrow.